Alright guys, time to unbox the X and Y booster box, part 2. Hopefully I can get a Charizard again out of it, like I did the first box that you guys seen. I think it's like 17 minutes in the video, I'm not sure. Guess you have to find out and look. Alright. Let's see what we can get. Maybe I can get another Charizard. Mega Charizard. Gem Mint 10. Hopefully. Maybe not. Probably not. There's always a hope. Leave that there for good luck. Alright. We'll just go through these real quick. Nidorino, reverse holo. I hate getting the reverse holos they make. It's like, oh yes, we're getting a holo card. Make you feel good about yourself. Another green, Tangela, and a rare Arcanine. I'm gonna try to keep my bulk stuff a little neater than what I did the last time. Too much of a mess. All over the place. 3 green cards in a row. Not too hot. Pidgeot Spirit Link. A Flying Pikachu Secret Rare. Rare Electrode. Knock all my stuff over. Alright, white card. Let's see what we get. That card looks pretty good. Brock's Grip. Slowbro. Kakuna. Diglett. Rattata. Charmander. Energy. Pikachu. 2 Pikachus. Reverse holo. And a Mega Blastoise Full REX. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. I gotta put that in the sleeve real quick. And I will show you guys the Mega Blastoise EX. Hydro Bombard, 212 hit points. This is a nice card. I'll go over all the cards I pull. You know, maybe leave some messages on what your guys' favorite cards are. Something to look at, you know, get into the Pokemon community. Everybody's all cool. Reverse holo energy. Reverse holo Zapdos. Oh. Trying to take you guys out. That is a gorgeous card. I've always been a fan of Zapdos over all the other legendary birds. He's just a boss. Oh, got a holo energy. Getting quite a bit of those. Another green card. Reverse holo Coughing. And a rare Starmie. Never fails. Never fails. Never fails. You always get a rare Starmie. Not, you know, not my favorite pull, but not bad. Not a fan of it. Well, we got a reverse holo Charizard Spirit Link. So that's a pretty sweet card. The artwork on it's gorgeous. But then again, it's Charizard, so we got a rare Arcanine. Oh, we got another. That's just gonna be a reverse holo Caterpie. There we go. Look at that. Look at that card. That card's right there, man. God, that right there, man. That made this whole box. Reverse Hollow Energy Retrieval and a rare Dugtrio. Wow. Out of all these packs, and we've only gotten one card that was worth anything. Which is the Full Art Mega Blastoise EX. Another dud. Brock's Grit and a rare Mewtwo. Kind of going a little faster than what I did in the last video. I don't know. Reverse Hollow Onyx. There we go. Got that rare Starmie again. Gonna start a collection on those rare Starmies, guys. It's gonna be worth a lot of money. Uh-oh. This is the pack. Oh, it lied. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, it's not the Hollow Nidoking I wanted, but I will take that. Probably not a smart thing for me to lay it on the table because it's pretty flat, so it's hard to pick the card up. Nidoking Break EX. Wow, not an EX, but wow, a Nidoking Break. Sorry guys, a little flustered. Got kind of excited for this card. This is my first Nidoking Break. Love it. Alright. And we do have a white card, but I'm sure you guys already saw that, so I'm just gonna go through there and show you the Reverse Hollow Drowsy and the Hollow Poliwrath, which that is a gorgeous card as well. I mean, it explains itself. Look at it. Look at that. Put that over there. Oh, that pack opened weird. Did I see something good in there? God, I hope so. Be a Charizard for Poppy. Alright, Charmeleon, Energy, Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Magnemite, Ninetales Reverse Hollow. That is a nice card. And let's see, a Trainer, Brock's Grit. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Full Art Brock's Grit. That is nice. That is nice. Full Art Brock's Grit. Representing the Ho-Oh card sleeves. Gotta love them. What is up with this pack? Alright, we're just gonna go through that. Another Reverse Hollow Rattata. Pulled a couple of those out of the first booster box that I did. I'm gonna crack into these, you know, if it'll let me. Bet you any money this is a Pidgeot EX. They seem to get a lot. You seem to get a lot of Pidgeots. I don't know why. Metapod, Trainer, Poliwag, Pikachu, Ponyta, Nidoran, Vulpix, Reverse Hollow Metapod, and oh no, it was a Mega Slowbro EX. Not a fan of this card because this is another one that you seem to get a lot, which I don't understand that. Probably more common than rare, honestly, in my opinion. Not definitely not something I like seeing out of the packs. I mean, maybe somebody else likes seeing them. Am I holding that right? There's a card code. Not gonna use them. You want them? Take them. Be my guest. Just throwing them all away. Venusaur, Machoke, Trainer, Drowsy, Magikarp, Electabuzz, Rattata, Growlithe, Professor Oak's Hint, and a Mewtwo EX. That is a nice looking card right there. That is a nice card. I love that card. Alright. We're going to put this in a sleeve so it gets all nice and cozy. Keeps it safe. Unharmed. I'm just going to go through Reverse Hollow Trainer. No fun. Say, getting reverse hollows aren't really what I like seeing. I mean, I'm sure that's everybody though. There we go. There we go. That, I'm happy with that. I wanted one. I've been wanting one. Now I got one. A reverse hollow Magikarp. I'm happy with that. Still, no Charizard. But I can't hate too much because I already got a hollow Charizard from my first booster box. So it's not too bad. Not upset. I like it. I just wanted one. I got it. So I'm happy. I wish they had the original Blastoise and Venusaurs in these packs, but they do not. Just kind of a bummer for me. Mewtwo, rare. Kakuna Hollow, reverse. I don't know how many of those bad boys I got, but I know I got a lot. I'm sure all you other people out there that unbox Pokemon cards and all that good stuff. And I will show you these cards because these cards I like a lot. And okay. A reverse hollow Misty's Determination. It's a gorgeous card. Props out to Misty. And then our boy. Had to look at that for a second. It looked like there was a crease in it. But there is not, so it's lucky. It's lucky. We'll put that to the side. And keep on keeping on. Alright. There's a white card. We're going to do this right now. Here's a card code. Start doing this right. Make it a little more interesting instead of so fast. Pokédex. Kakuna. Potion. Sandshrew. A Weedle. Tangela, Ponyta, Doduo, another reverse hollow Porygon. I'm disappointed in that. And a second Mega Blastoise. Wow. Alright, well, I see I'm going to be stocked on the Mega Blastoise cards. Well, that's not too bad. It's a pretty good looking card. Throw that in the sleeve right quick. Take another look at it. Awesome card. Awesome card. So we pulled one Mega Blastoise EX and one Full Art Mega Blastoise EX. I think I got two Full Art Mega Blastoise EX. I'm not sure. We'll recap it though. The Hollow Energy and a rare Farfetch'd. Do not like Farfetch'd. It's an annoying card to get. I don't like him. Scroll through these. A Ghastly and a Starmie. Starmie rare. It's another card I don't like to get. Got about 7 more packs left. Not looking too promising. Not looking like I'm going to get a Charizard. Oh boy, there we go. That's my card. Alright. Get out of here, Starmie. You're not wanted. Alright. Holographic Zapdos. So I got the reverse holo. And then I got the regular holo. So that is a gorgeous card. I love it. I have the fossil version one, which I love that card. Zapdos is amazing. What is up with all the Voltorbs in the front? Devolution Spray. Reverse holo. Not looking too promising. Come on. What is up with these packs? A white code. Let's find out what we got. Hopefully it's something we want. Probably not, but you never know. Pidgeot, Spirit Link, Growlithe, Onix, Nidoran, Poliwag, Energy, Reverse Holo Doduo, and a Gyarados. I'm happy with that. I love Gyarados. It's an awesome looking card. Awesome. Love it. And a Switch Trainer. Holo. Reverse. Alright, 4 packs left. Come on, give me something good. This box wasn't too hot. I'll tell you that. This box was not too hot. Alright. Slowbro, Spirit Link, Pokédex, Haunter, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Magnemite, Pikachu, Machop, Holo Energy, and a Charizard EX. Yay! At least we got one Charizard out of the pack. Yes. This bad boy needs a sleeve. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, look at that bad boy. Sexy. 3 packs left. Maybe we can get his big brother Mega. Let's put that up there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Something promising in this one, guys. It's unheard of. Nidorino. Pidgeot, Spirit Link, Porygon, Electabuzz, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Onix, Magikarp, a reverse holo Charizard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. And a Mega Charizard EX. The same pack. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Same pack. Same pack. What is that? Same pack. That is awesome. Uh-oh. Might be something good in this one too, guys. Maybe the box was Just telling me something. All the horrible cards are in the front. Brock's Grit, Slowbro, Magmar, Drowsy, Caterpie, Doduo, Pikachu, Machop, Poliwag, and a Misty's Determination. Full art. Yes. Yes. That is what's up. Gorgeous card. Gorgeous. Last pack. Something good. Nope, green card. Might be a break though. We're gonna go through it. We can hope for the best. We can hope. Alright guys, we can hope. Poliwhirl, Full Heal, Porygon, Weedle, Machop, Tangela, Vulpix, a Reverse Hollow Nidoking. I will take that all day long. Hell yeah. Alright. Now we're going to recap of the cards that I got in order. We're going to, just go over them. See what we got. Alright. We got the Full Art Mega Blastoise. We got the Nidoking Break. We got the holographic Poliwrath. We got the Full Art Brock's Grit. We got the Mega Slowbro EX. We got the Mewtwo EX. Then we got the holographic Machamp. Then we got the Mega Blastoise EX again. Non-full art. We got the Zapdos. We got the Gyarados. Then we got Charizard EX. Then we got a Mega Charizard EX. And then we got the Reverse Hollow Charizard from the same pack as the Mega Charizard EX. And then we got a Misty's Determination. And that's all, guys. That's all we got. That's pretty good. I like it. Alright, guys. Tell me what you think. Thank you for watching.